Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, first off, I want to thank Yopokki of South Korea for sending me this hat. I've had it for maybe at least 2 months. I wear this almost every day. I freaking love this hat. I'm going to email them and ask them if they have any other designs, because I really like this hat. Thank you. The other one I like too, but it doesn't fit. So. And it's not a baseball cap. Anyways, I've got some... We're not actually doing an instant noodle today. We're doing instant rice cake. This is Yopokki by a brand called Young. So Y-O-U-N-G. Poong. P-O-O-N-G. So we're going to have a little Young Poong today. And it's cheese topokki. Yeah. So how does one prepare said cheese topokki? Well, I'll show you. And I'll also give you a lesson on how to pronounce Topokki. I was told that was correct by a very nice South Korean dentist. He pulled out one of my teeth. I asked him to do so. And he did it in such a way that it was not painful and was not at all skimpy on the nitrous, let me tell you. Wow. To me, it's worth the $60 to get high, you know. It's kind of expensive to get high on nitrous, but I figure why not get really, really high. Are you feeling anything? No. And then you're just like, no, not feeling anything. Why not, right? I mean, it doesn't hurt anybody. I'm sure somebody can find something negative to say about me doing that. But hey, I'm at the dentist. I'm not really into the whole dental deal, so lay off me, you know. Mimi's out there with a bowl of noodles without broth. She's having a Taiwanese beef noodle. Mainly spending time banging the fork against the side of the bowl. Which is... She's supposed to be eating the noodles. So we'll see what happens. She might end up getting these noodles too. Well, these aren't noodles, this is topokki. Topokki. So it's... On here it's T-O-P-O-K-K-I, but... Ooh, that's a lot of cheese powder. It's T-O-P-O-K-K-I. The standard Romanized that I've seen is T-T-E-O-K-B-O-K-K-I. And the two T's is a soft T. Kind of like a D, but not. So like... Topokki, 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 Topokki. It's hard. It's like a blah, blah, blah. Yeah. He said, "Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it." I'm like, "Cool." And I was like super dosed up on nitrous when I asked him. All right, so it says you put water up to the line. I'm gonna... That's what I thought. It doesn't require a lot of water. Then it mentions you stir it all up, which is kind of difficult because there is such a small amount of water and there's a lot of topokki in here for that. But we'll call that good. And then you're supposed to do this. It says, and then put the lid on askew. Yeah? That's what I'm going with. And then it's 2 minutes at 1,000 watts. Stir well and cover. 1,000 watts. For 2 minutes or 3 minutes at 700. Okay. 1,000 minutes at 2. Woo! Okay. So I'm putting this in. I'm really sorry. I think I just like farted at you guys, didn't I? That's embarrassing. I'll try not to do it again. All this walking, I tell you. But some days I'll like do all this walking and then I'm like yesterday, I was trying to keep the calorie intake way down. So what am I doing? I'm having a couple Fiber One bars. So, you know, it just turns into a lot of farts. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. Yeah? Okay, try to eat your noodles, sweetie, and I'll be there in a minute, okay? Papa, can I have some help, please? She was less grumpy today. I'm very, very proud of her. I expected some grump, but I didn't get any grump. Well, I got a smidge, but... What did she say? She said something. I asked her something, she's like, no, Papa, no. Very emphatically, I'm like, okay. It's like, isn't that a Hello Kitty thing? No, Papa, no. You don't know what you're talking about. Back off, Papa. Oh, I think I can smell it. I'm really hoping that there's nothing wrong with this because the idea of bad topokki kills my soul. But I think it'll probably work out. And I did only say 2 minutes. Oh, it's gonna play the song. Hopefully you can hear that. Oh! Wow! Ooh! Holy crud! Oh, this looks like a big thing of intestines. I don't know. I mean, I love topokki, but this looks kind of jacked up. Okay, let's find another fork. Forage for a fork. Oh, where's a fork? Oh, here's one right next to me. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Let's see. This would have been better with more water, I think. But I put the amount that they told me to. I did what I was told, once again. Now, what does that get me? Well, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. There's our topokki, and boy, this stuff is hot. Well, Here's what I got to say about this. It's... Oh, is the camera being a pain? Here, let's see what happens. And... yeah. So I know it's recording right now, but I think there may be a problem because now I can't connect to the camera. This is good. Yeah. Now I just need something for it to occupy like that. Kind of sucks too. I could totally eat all this, but I'm not gonna. Okay. I wonder how many calories it is. I mean, it's not like a huge amount of stuff here. Whoa. Okay, let's see. Try to get it all centered and happy. Whoops. I think that'll work. And really not a whole heck of a lot to do to it. Mimi might like this. I don't know though. I think that's about all that needs to be done. Man, you know what sounds really good, and it was really good? It's the stuff that's cream cheese topokki. This cheddar cheese topokki is pretty darn good, but cream cheese topokki, oh boy, forget about it. It's gonna load the camera? Come on. Yeah. Only thing I can do to make this thing stop is to plug it in. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we won't lose anything. I'm gonna plug it in. What's the matter? Hold on. You gotta wait a second, Mimi. Okay. Alright, so we just had a camera issue. So when my phone gets too low on juice, it doesn't matter if you plug it in or not, and I've got a big old charger it's plugged into right now. If it gets below 5%, and it's funny because the phone isn't recording it, the camera is recording it. It's got a micro SD card in it. But what happens is it was just like, It won't give you the preview, won't do anything. So you gotta sit and wait. So I just had to wait for it to get from 3% to 5%. But now it's good. But anyways, this stuff's pretty good. And we'll do the rotato now. That's how much I care. I just spent like 5 minutes of getting screamed at by Mimi so I could bring you rotato. You know? That's the kind of quality assurance that we do here at the Ramen Raider. No, there is no we, it's me. But let's have some different music. Gotta have something. And rotato. Sit on your butt, on your chair, at your table, little miss. Yes. a spring onion. Yeah. Alright, well hey, if you see this stuff, give it a try. It's pretty good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.